Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming ownership and signing into the primary account. The device will require proof to change security. Once done, make sure the phone is charged and connected so updates and backups proceed. Next, open Settings, search for sound or volume limit, and prepare to authenticate. You are doing this to legally remove an active limit pin, not to bypass someone else's protection. Authenticate with your PIN/password or biometric. Without it, proceed to the manufacturer account recovery options. You now navigate the exact menu to change the limiter. After authenticating, tap Media Volume Limiter or Hearing Protection Settings. These controls exist to protect hearing and can enforce a PIN. Once authenticated, either toggle the limiter off or increase the maximum dB value. Do this slowly to avoid sudden loud output. Make sure to save or apply changes and then test with a safe-level audio file. If the option is grayed out, it likely requires an account-level reset or firmware update. You finish by rebooting and verifying the change across apps and connected headphones. Different outputs can enforce independent limits. If the limiter stays active, sign into the device maker's account and check parental or accessibility controls. Undo from there. If account recovery is required, follow official steps. Do not use third-party bypass tools. As a final measure, back up your data, perform a factory reset, and restore after you authenticate as the owner. This reset system locks when done legitimately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.